In today's video, I'll show you how you can secure your YouTube channel. This way you can avert any phishing attack, any spam, malware, all those details you'll get to see in today's video. And for this, let me take you to the computer screen. Do this step to protect your Google and YouTube account. Once you're done with your YouTube account will also be taken care. First one is to have two-step verification. So anytime any modification, deletion happens to your YouTube account, you will get notified. And you'll have to verify using two-step verification. That is, you get a text message, say on your mobile device. And once you verify that you will proceed with the next step, you also get to fix common issues with this two-step verification. And also install Google Authenticator. I have Google Authenticator with me. Every time the code comes to Google Authenticator, and this way I'm ensuring that I'm not risking my YouTube account. And you also go and see which system you need to add and remove. Sometimes we log in and forget. So you can do this 4-step. Google for enhanced safe browsing for your account, and then switch this on. This will also give you more proactive protection against dangerous website download and extension. This is one more layer of protection which you can add. From time to time, the scammers will be reaching out to you. Some of the emails will also come with link, and that's when you have to be very cautious. You have to look out for these scams and the email ID, and some of them are giveaway. The way the email address is given, just by looking at the email address, you will be able to spot. Gmail will also sometimes flag that as spam, but be sure before clicking on any link. I never click on any of the links. If somebody sends even a promotional material, there are ways to connect with the promotion, and that we will get to see as we proceed with the video. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. Please do like, share and comment if you found this video useful. Also, relevant links including video links are there in the description, including setting up of Google AdSense account, and hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching Canada Driving Tester.